Today we are in Royal Gates Estate, Kitengela. This is a development by Cherry's Property. Behind me are 4-bedroom townhouses. Each of these townhouses has a print area of 200 square meters, which translates to 2,152 square feet. The price of a townhouse is 14.9 million. And my duty today is to give you a tour of one of the townhouses and you'll tell me it's worth it. This is African Real Estate and my name is Mungai Kihara. Before we hop in, the townhouse comes with a 2-car parking that I believe is enough for your 2 cars. Wow, this is a beautiful house. From here, I can see the living area, I can see the dining area, and on the far end, I can see the kitchen. Let's start with the living room. This living room is big enough for a family of 6 or a family of 8. And it comes with this big window that supplies the whole house with enough light during the day. During the night, the house is lit by this chandelier and we have additional lights for maximum lighting. Just have a look. The small lights and the chandelier. Let's head to the dining area. This is the dining area of this townhouse, and as you can see, right now we have a 4-seat dining table, but this space is big enough to fit a 6-seater table or an 8-seater table. Just next to it, you have a minibar where you can just sit and enjoy your drink with your friends. The dining area comes with this small chandelier that makes sure that you are lit while you are having your meals. Just have a look. It also comes with these 2 mirrors that beautify the room. Let's head to the kitchen. Wow! This is a big kitchen. From here, I can see that the kitchen comes with numerous upwards and downwards cabinets. And they look great. The kitchen also comes fully fitted with a microwave, an oven, and a cooking stove that matches very well with the dark granite. The kitchen comes with a double sink with a tilting faucet just for your kitchen chores. If you have numerous appliances in your kitchen, the kitchen comes with numerous sockets for that use. Next to me, you have the pantry of this kitchen. And I believe it's big enough for your storage. This door leads to the kitchen garden and the servant quarter. Let's have a look. This is a servant quarter. It's not very big, but I believe it's enough. And this is the servant's quarter bathroom. In here, you have a closet, a sink, a shower cubicle, and a towel holder. Let's get back to the main house. This house has 2 levels. In this level, we still have the guest room and the common toilet. Let's start with the guest room. This is the guest room of this townhouse, and it's big enough to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. The guest room also comes with this space over here that you can put your side drawers. In this guest room, you have a very big closet that I believe is enough for your guests. Just in front of me, you have this huge window that supplies this guest room with enough light. This is the guest bathroom. Let's have a look. In here, you have a water closet, a sink, a shower cubicle, a tissue holder, and a rain shower. Let's head to the other rooms. Before we head to the upper level, this is the common toilet, and it's very big. Let's head up. In this level, we have the study, all the TV area. We also have the master bedroom on this side, the other two bedrooms on this side, and the shared toilet. Let's start with the study. If you're enjoying the video, this is when you click the like button. Also, feel free to subscribe. Let's continue. This is the area that can be used as a study or the TV area. Right now, it's being used as a TV area, but if you want to use it as a study, you can rearrange it and put your study tables. Let's head to the kids' bedroom. But before we do that, this is the shared toilet. And in this toilet, we have a sink, a toothbrush holder, a water closet, a tissue holder, a shower cubicle with a soap holder, and a handheld. Let's head to one of the rooms. From the colors, this can be used as the boys' room. And we have a very big closet that covers the entire length of the wall. In this closet, we have these 3 drawers that comes in handy. This room is also big enough to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed, and still you'll have spaces for your side drawers. And then we have this space over here that can be used for any other purposes. Let's head to the other bedroom. This room is similar to the room that we just left. The only difference is the colors and these 2 bed lights. The bedroom also comes with this big window that supplies the whole bedroom with enough light. Just in front of me, we have the closet, and it also covers the entire length of the wall. Very big closet. The closet also comes with these 3 drawers that are very useful. That's all for this room. Let's head to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And it's very big. The master bedroom already comes with a 6x6 bed, but the space is big enough to fit a king size bed. The master bedroom comes with these two side drawers. It also comes with these two bed lights and this beautiful chandelier that supplies the whole bedroom with enough light. The room also comes equipped with this massive closet with sliding doors. Just have a look. It's beautiful. If this is not enough, you have an extra storage over here. Just have a look. This is the dressing area, and in front of me we have a door that leads to the balcony of this bedroom. Let's have a look, and the views are great. Let's have a look at the master's bathroom. This is the master bathroom and it's big enough. It comes with a small drawer, a sink, a water closet, a tissue holder, and a shower cubicle. In the shower cubicle you have a handheld, a rain shower, a towel holder, and a soap holder. That's all about this bathroom. That is all about this estate. I will leave everything else in the description below. If you'd like to purchase a unit in this estate, please feel free to call. This is African Real Estate. I'll see you next time.